Hi and welcome to EDMG 347. My name is Dr. Roach and I'm going to be your instructor for this online course. This video is just going to go over the major components of this class. Those major components are literature, field visits, key assessments and other assignments, and reading your textbook. Let's start with literature. There will be 9 different books that you'll be reading for this class. So make sure that you buy these right away. I have uploaded a prompt for each book. You will create a discussion by Wednesday responding to these prompts. Then between Thursday and Sunday, respond to 2 other classmates. If you don't complete your first discussion by Wednesday, 5 points are deducted. If you don't respond to classmates, you receive a 0. These points cannot be recovered. You will also complete a book summary for every one of these books. So you'll have 8 summaries in all. You're answering the same question for each and every book. So it's pretty repetitive, and there's a rubric online that tells you how to complete this. Please do not copy and paste a summary from an online source because it will be indicated and turn it in that this is plagiarizing, and that will result in an E in the class. So there are lots of hours due for this class. You have 24 field hours in total, and there'll be 10 journal prompts online, some teacher data, and there's 1 survey at the end. So make sure you schedule your field visits early so that you can keep up. You turn in 2 hours a week, and the field experience forms are online for you. At the end of the semester, you're going to submit that field experience form to me. I'll give it an electronic signature, and then once you get it back, you have to submit it to TaskStream. Definitely use the textbook in this class, so please purchase it right away. You'll have a weekly quiz over textbook chapters, and you'll use the textbooks to complete some of the literature summaries. At the end of the course, you're going to be completing a key assessment. It's a big assignment. It's a text set, which is a collection of resources around a topic. I have some other resources for you to prepare you for this, so don't worry about it, but do be thinking about it as you go along. Not only will you be creating a presentation around your text set, but you'll also look at 4 other people's presentations, and you'll be scoring them based on the rubric. So keep in mind a word of warning, this is a key assessment. So that means even if you have an A in the class and you skip this final assignment, you don't pass the course. So keep that in mind. You have to finish the key assessment in order to pass the course. One of your smaller assignments will be a library scavenger hunt. We'll talk more about that later as the course goes on, but there'll be an app that you use to take pictures of different things you're asked to collect at either a public or a school library. You'll be researching and writing a report on a banned book. You'll have some resources online to help you select one and to learn more about that book. So those are some of your major assignments. There's some smaller assignments here and there, but those are the 4 major areas that you're going to be completing for this class. So this next part is going to sound like I'm a really mean person, but you need to inform me in advance if your assignments will be late. Otherwise, you're going to receive a 0. With the exception of the discussion board initial post, all assignments are due Monday at midnight after the week is over. I do my grading on Tuesday. You have 10 days to complete a late assignment with a 10% reduction in the overall grade for each late day. On the 11th day, that becomes a 0. To make up a 0, you have to petition to do so in writing. If you turn in 3 late assignments, you must make an appointment to meet with me, and your advisor is going to be informed. More than 4 late assignments will result in a negative disposition. Just some advice if this is your first online class. Online classes are not easier than face-to-face. You'll have to be really responsible and keep a tight schedule. You have a lot of reading to do. Buy your books immediately. Don't wait till you need them to get them. Make contact with your schools for field experience now. Download and print the course schedule, and then record all the assignment due days in your calendar. Schedule work time for yourself. Pretend that you're in a class during these times, and don't change these times and days. If life-changing events happen, let me know. Make an appointment to see me right away. Don't wait till you're way behind in the class. I'm so glad that you're taking this course. I think that you're going to learn a lot, and I think you're going to enjoy reading some of this literature. If you have any questions, please contact me. You can make an appointment with me on campus, or if you want, you can give me a call.